Another practice to slow the aging process is to invite your body to use its higher self, its energetic fields, to reference a dimension that has a rejuvenation chamber. And when you go to sleep at night, every single night, invite your body to have a nature spirit to use its higher self, its energetic fields, to reference that dimension where there is a rejuvenation chamber, where it can be in that rejuvenation chamber, where it can call upon its guides, its healers, its teachers, and to have the guides, the healers, the teachers working with body to help repair the etheric fields, restore the life force, repair all the crystalline structures, rejuvenate deeply, bring in the appropriate frequencies and nutrients from this world, other worlds, that helps your body rejuvenate, reweave, and repair all night long. So that's another process to help slow the aging process.